Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyame Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Namo Namah Mode.
Namo Namaha. Good evening. Two of you have come at least, that's okay. I think, Uma, you are not writing, no, this time?
No, ma'am, I'm planning
Uma?
to write in August.
Huh? What?
Planning to write in August only, ma'am, not in February.
Okay. So, but anyway, I will take the entire thing what I am for rushing through, because I think Sir alone is now writing. So, I have to somehow, I did not know that, otherwise I would have covered the earlier itself. Sir, we will go via this, last time I took lesson 2, I think, like, lesson 2 we have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
So, lesson 3, we can open that.
That Kavya Katha we were supposed to do, but okay, I will manage that. Second
Kavya
lesson.
Kada, if you want, I can go through it. That's not a big thing. Just
No, only for that Anvaya Krama and
Mm.
Sandhis we can do that. If it's okay, we'll do it. Otherwise, I'll manage because Uma ma'am is there. It will be halfway through for her.
For question paper, I have sent an answer sheet also.
Yeah, I started actually. See, I started
But
writing.
that is the only best way to do it. Then you will
Yeah.
really know where you don't know.
Yeah.
So that is the best way to do it.
Once I started rough work. Once I complete, I'll send it to you, ma'am. You can
Yes,
correct it and.
please. Answer itself is there. Because you don't have much time. Next
Oh.
month, 25th, your exam is there.
Okay.
I will send you the answer sheet. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Then I will do it myself.
Yes.
ठीक है. Whatever you feel is okay, you can take, ma'am.
If you see, anytime I told you now, since you are the only person writing the exam, instead of all these, doing all these things, one to one I can teach you. Because you are the only one writing the exam, I feel I should do that. For all others, every Saturday I can aramse take it, depending upon their convenience. Okay? So I don't know, because I don't want to call you. If you are free, you call me.
Okay.
Say, for example, today evening you want to, you tell me either yesterday night or today morning.
Sure.
Accordingly, I will make myself free. Okay?
ठीक है.
The 1 hour is nothing, and fast 10 lessons only. I can finish one lesson every day. Other things you can finish. As far the grammar is concerned, except Chittichana, Tavyat Taniyar, someone is left out. Only these three are still there. That I will finish in the coming Saturdays, and when others are coming, I have to do it. No, because again, going through is difficult.
Yeah.
Once
Sure.
your exam is through, when others come, lesson wise, I will take once for them. And then I will straight away start this one, that question paper discussion. That is how I studied. So once you do the question paper discussion, 100% result. You will easily score more than first class. That is the thing. Okay, take the lesson number 3. Madam, you have book, Usha? Uma? If you have book, please open the book, madam.
I have the book, ma'am.
Okay. Lesson 3. Can you read the Sukti?
नियतो यत्र धर्मो वै समशंक समाचार.
Shankaha Samacharaha. Okay, can you split
Where
it?
dharma is
Some
clear.
sound is coming from some Sara.
I will switch off.
Mute. Okay. Tell me, madam.
नियतो यत्र धर्मो.
Whenever O comes, there is a Visargam. I told no, because you have not studied Visarga Sandhi, you may not know. But in Niyato means there, one Niyataha is there. Visargam will become O. Visargasya, Utvam, then Gunam, like that we used to teach. But you don't have Visarga Sandhi, so I did not teach. So, Niyataha Yatra
धर्मो
Dharmaha
वै तमशंकः
Tamashankaha. Don't you see there is something is there? Tam Ashankaha. Shankam means, you know, something like a doubt, worry, something like that. Na Shankaha. Ashankaha, without any doubt. Tam Ashankaha Samacharaha. Sam Acharaha. Acharam means, you know, follow. Isn't it? Acharati means following it, like. Okay, this is from Mahabharatam. They are sometimes ask, the Sukti is from which this one. May ask, remember wherever it is given, from Mahabharatam this is given. Niyataha yat, that now you have to do the Anvayam. What exactly they are trying to do. Niyataha yatra dharmaha. That is niyataha, actually niyamam means itself rule, vidhi, we call it. Dharmaha yatra niyataha, where dharmaha is as per rule, as per niyati, it is there. Okay, yatra dharmaha niyataha. Why here means certainly. I don't know the he, why, khalu. These words will be generally used to fill up and give some extra importance. This is like that. So, niyataha yatra dharmaha niyataha tam. Tam here means what? Dharmaha. That is where dharma is there. Yatra dharmaha niyataha, why? Certainly tam, those items, ashankaha, without any doubt. Shankaha means doubt. Should I do or should I not do? Here ashankaha, some acharaha, samacharaha. You follow it fully, nicely. Okay. Yatra dharmaha spashtam asti. You can write down if you want. You can write in your own words. Nobody will tell you it is wrong. So, yatra dharmaha asti. We are telling, no. Yatra dharmaha spashtam. Niyatahana niyamam means written down values. So, spashtam asti. Ashankaha. Here, ashankaha equivalent word will be sandeham vina. Without any doubt. Sandeham vina acharanam karaniyam. Okay, or kartavyam. You must follow it. Okay. In English also, if I don't know whether they allow, we all wrote in Sanskrit only. But if you completely forget what to write, at least English meaning you write. Okay. Where dharma means the good deeds. Certainly there, those things without any hesitation, please do. That is the English meaning. But
It
I
is like
think
saying
uh,
dharmo rakshati rakshitaha, something like that, ma'am.
dharmam rakshati, here you must do. That is there. Here the word translation will be, you can English you write down, where dharma is clear. Clear, practice it without hesitation. Practice it without hesitation. Tasya Sanskrit equivalent I told you, yatra dharmaha spashtam asti. Spashtam means very clear. Spashtam asti. Ashankaha, that is sandegam vina acharaniyam. Acharanam karaniyam. Acharaniyam. You can write both. Okay. After this is the only thing. This I have written also. You can look at it. Then Purna Pratyayanda we have taken. Pratamaha, Pratama, Pratamam. This and all we have taken. The position. Okay. In which class your son is studying, or in this line where your son is standing, he is in the third position. Then how will you do that? 3 will not work out there. So you have to use this Purana Pratyayanta only. This we have already seen. Pratamaha, Pratama, Pratamam, Dutiyaha, Dutiya, Dutiyam. So where is your son? The Dutiyaha Balakaha Asti. Kilo, Saha Mama Putraha. Like that we will do. The third boy who is in the queue, it is not 3 boys. The third boy, position. That is no, the most, the Tritiya Padam completely about number position, not the real number. 3, 4, 9, third, fourth. That is why. So this we have already covered through one whatever they have given me with that. So this I am going. I am going out of it because we have to do other things. Okay, Purana Pratyantam. This Subhashitam for Purana Pratyantam, our sir taught me. Sir, you read it, Pratame.
प्रथमे निर्जिता विद्या, द्वितीये
Nirjita.
निर्जितम
No. Pratame.
नार्जिता,
Narjita.
क्षम्यताम्. क्षम्यतां प्रथमे नार्जिता विद्या द्वितीये नार्जितं धनं तृतीये नार्जितं पुण्यं चतुर्थे किं करिष्यति?
So pratame means when you are young. Pratama varsham means when at the time of your youth. Na plus arjita. Arjita means earning. Sambadhanam. Sambana sambadayati. So bala parve, balatvam you can call it. Vridatvam means old, balatvam means young age. Okay. Bala parve. Na arjita, what vidya? He did not study at all. What you are supposed to do when you are young, you must study, no? This fellow, somebody, pratame, when he is young, na means no. Arjita, sambadhanam karaniyam, that he did not do, vidya. So, vidya na arjita pratame. Second, dhanam is napumsalingam. So, here vidya is strilingam, so arjita came. Dhanam napusalingam, na arjitam. Dutiye, the middle age. When you are 20 to 35 or 40, you are supposed to earn dhanam. But this fellow, dutiye, during that period, na arjitam dhanam. He did not earn money. First, young age he did not learn. Middle age he did not earn money. Tritiye, third parvam, the third position, that is thoda old one. Na arjitam punyam. Punyam napusalingam, so arjitam. So when he was in that age to go off, that is third age, vridatva parve, what is na arjitam punyam? He has not earned punyam also. Then the time has to go, comes chaturte, and the last bhagam, the last position, kim karishyati, what the hell he can do? He cannot do any. Karishyati is litlakar, that is future tense. Kim karishyati? कुछ नहीं कर सकता है ना ओवरऑल बिकॉज प्रथमे विद्या अर्जनम करणीयम द्वितीये धनम अर्जनम करणीयम तृतीये पुण्यम संपादनीयम चतुर्थे इफ यू हैव डन ऑल दीज थिंग्स चतुर्थे सुखे जीवितं कर्तुं शक्यते बट इंग ही हैज नॉट डन इट सो चतुर्थे किं करिष्यति Very sad. He has to go off without it. So read the meaning, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. जीवनस्य प्रथमे भागे भवता विद्या न सम्पादिता द्वितीये भागे धनं न सम्पादितम् तृतीये भागे पुण्यं न सम्पादितम् एवं चेत् चतुर्थे भागे किं वा करिष्यति? This Subhashitam is not in my lesson, ma'am. Some other Subhashitam they give.
I don't know. My sir gave me. This is not from Harsha Vidya. This is from where I studied. Lesson wise, they have not given me. They have given only the grammar part. Since you are writing the exam, I am trying to go through lesson wise. That's all. Then Purna Pratyayana will come out. There are some this thing examples are there. This will be very useful. Up till this first one only we will see. Okay. Can you see this? Don't see the answer. Try to close your eyes for the answer. Try to read this. Asmakam mitrani.
Shashtam एक मिनिटम् अस्माकं मित्राणि याने उपविष्टवन्तः
See, there is a sixth vehicle. All Asmakam, our friends are all sitting in the sixth vehicle, not in sixth vehicle.
No.
Ama, but Yane is Saptami Vibhakti na?
Saptami Vibhakti,
So, Sashte Yane. The sixth vehicle, Asmakam Mitrani Upavishtavantaha. They are all sitting there. Okay. So, try to use like that. Uma, you one and Sar one, try that. Even if you make a mistake, you can look at the answer later, but try without seeing the answer. I don't have time to close this and show you and all. So I'm showing out.
Attasya upari prathama atta asti. So atta must be ceiling.
Yes, yes, attam. Even in Tamil we call atta only.
Automatic, yeah, okay. So atasya. So it will be Shashti only, no? So
Attas, yes, yes. षष्ठी only. Na attasya tasya visheshanam.
so it will be attam. So dvitiyam, dvitiyasya.
Attasya
It will be
upari.
like adjective. No, it will be like adjective only, right?
Yeah, it is adjective.
So dvitiyasya.
द्वितीयस्य अट्टस्य उपरि प्रथमः अट्टः अस्ति. ओके, उल्टा हो गया.
उपरि नास्ति, अधो.
Meaning is not okay. Next.
Yeah, I will try.
Yes, sir.
दशः शुभतिथौ वर्गस्य आरम्भः भविष्यति. So this is द्वितीय वचन. शुभतिथौ. It should follow that. So दशमौ.
Dashamau na.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Dvivachanam of dasha.
Dasha is द्विवचन of dasha. दशः.
Dashabhyam. Dashamyam. Sorry. Dashamyam.
Dashaha is pullinga, no, ma'am.
Here, see numbers, okay. This is a number. Now look at this. Shubhaditau. Whether it is a dvivachanam, okay.
It's a dvivachanam, yeah.
Vargam is vargasya. It is napusalingam. So tau vargasya. So dashamyam, dashami. Then only dashamyam will come. Okay.
No, dashamaha is the pullinga, no?
No, because the shubhatitau is no. There is a problem there. Shubhatitau vargasya. Shubhatitau.
Dashamaha. Here it is given dashamaha, dashami, dashamam. You are right. No, dashami.
Dashami.
Dvivachana is dashami.
Dashami, tasya. Dashamyam, when it will come? See, nadi
Bahuvachan.
No. Dashamyam, it will be saptami vibhakti ekavachanam. Nadi, nadyam. Dashamyam. So, Srilinga Rupatala, Nadi Sabdam, you take it for Ikaranda Sabdam. So, Subhati Tau, it is there. Here also, I think Ratri Sabdam. Ratri, Ratrau, it goes. Subhati Tau, Subhatiti. Titi means day, you know, na? Day, nice date.
Titi will be thorn, ma'am.
No, madam. Titi.
It is titau. It should be titau.
And the takaram looks there. That is why I also got confused. The spelling mistake is there. Subha. Second ta should come. What madam is telling is. Tithi is first ta, thi, second ta. That means a good time. Okay. So, dashamyam shubha tithau vargasya arambha bhavishyati.
So we take that
Navaratri, 10th day we start the education, no? Navaratri time, Vijayadashami, Dashamyam, Subha, Tithi is good Tithi. So, see, Hari Sabdate, 7th Bhakti is what? Harau. Nadi, Nadyam. But here, Vargasya, it has come. So, they have taken the 7th Bhakti for this one. Tithi ke liye dashamyam subhatitau. This is like ratrihi sabdam ratrau, harihi harau, titihi titau, 7th vibhakti. So dashamyam subhatitau vargasya arambha bhavishyati. Next.
So tithi, shubhatithi is it pullinga or strilinga, ma'am? Ratri.
Here it is strilingam. That is why dashamyam has come. Matihi sabdam asti madam, asti kila. Matihi. Strilinga rupam. Ratrihi, strilinga rupam.
So it can be matyam also, no?
Titihi is strilinga rupam.
So it can be matyam or matau. So tithyam or tithau, no?
Titau they have used. If you want, you could have used it. Yes. But Hari Sabdam compulsory. Ratrihi also. They are interchangeable, madam. Mati Sabdam will be almost like Hari Sabdam Eva.
I've just opened the Vibhakti table. So
Yeah.
it says Nityam or Matau. So if they've used Matau, then it will still be Dashami. So it can be Dashamyam. Okay. You can't use Dasham.
Dashami ke Dashamyam we have used. Okay. You want what you want to use? Dashami, you want to put it as
No, because we've used Tithau. So Dasham, like they've used Matau.
They could have used. See, Matyam you could have used, or Matau you can use, no? Titi.
Here you've used Tithau in one place, but Dashamyam in the other place.
Because Dashami doesn't have that yav. It is not allowed. Nadile will you say Nadyav aisa kuch nahi hai na? You have got Nadyam eva na? Only certain things like Matihi, Visargam kidhar aata hai, only those places. So that is why we are stuck up here. Okay.
Gauri, Gauryam, Gauryo. Okay.
Yeah, Gauri is Dirga. Dirga E.
Dirga ikaram. Nadi, Gauri, Dirga. Matihi is just like Titihi.
So then it is only okay. No, ma'am, I'm still confused.
Just like Harihi.
No, Matihi is small T. Gauri is Dirga. So
Gauri is Dirga. You have to compare only with the Matihi. Do you understand?
Matihi, Patihi, Harihi.
Ratri, no, Patihi is Pullingam, sir. Okay.
Mati. Matihi is Strilingam, ma'am, in the book.
Illa, Pullingam.
No, Matihi is Strilingam only. I know it.
Yeah, Matihi is Srilinga, but Patihi is Pullingam.
Patihi is Pullingam, so you don't consider it. Okay. Whatever is Matihi, that same is for Titi. Okay.
No, ma'am, my doubt is about Tithau.
That is why, madam, Titi, what is 7th Vibhakti? Ekavachanam Kim?
Titi is Srilinga, ma'am.
Titihi. No. Titihi is Titau. Pullingam, madam. Titihi is Pullingam.
Then it's okay. But this is okay.
Titihi is Pullingam. Strilingam abhi asti. Okay. Strilingam asti. Strilingam also Titihi you can say. Titihi, Titi, Titayaha like that. Tasya 7th Vibhakti is Tityam or Titau. Both dono available. Just like Matihi eva, madam. Mati also Hari. They are Pullingam, Strilingam, same Rupam asti. Okay. Shall we proceed next?
Yeah. Adhikari dash Attat Agamishyati. Attat means?
That is what, that place, that floor, 30th floor.
Floor, okay. So this will be Saptami again. Adhikari, 30th is
Attat means Saptami.
No, to the place.
Panchami. Attat, no, Tasya.
From.
Some sound is coming from somebody's house. Now it is okay. Because some sloka somebody has put it.
Yeah, no, my wife is doing Narayani class.
That's why I can hear that.
From he Agamishyati. So he comes from the 30th floor. So Panchami. 30th, yeah. So Trimshat.
In the case of Purna Prajya, Tamaha, Tamam, Tami, you have to use. Okay.
So Jagat, okay. Trimshat. Trimshat. I'm just checking the book, ma'am. I'm not.
Okay.
Matha. Bhavati, Bhavata, Mandapam. Trimshat, wait 1 moment.
Tamat. Okay.
Trimshat, Mat.
Tamaha, Tamam.
Okay. Marut,
So whether
Trimshat.
Pullingam, Strilingam, both will be the same, only seventh vibhakti. Array, this is coming here. Okay, next. So Trimshat, it will become Trimshat Tamat. Next. I think this we have done homework also for Purna Pratyantam. But it is 1 week gap, no? People are not following. There is one doubt I have. Anyway, before August, we can make you 100% okay. But sir, you will have to pull up your socks now. Next. You are going to ask what is the name of the 9th boy.
Ma'am, sorry, I'm open. It will be Trimshat will be like Jagat, no?
Trimshat is 30th name for a number name. Okay.
Will it be like
Vimshati.
consecutive? Will it be
Vimshati,
like
then
Trimshat?
Trimshat, Chatvarimshat, okay, Panchashat, abdi like that it will go. Okay.
So if it will be like Jagat, is it? Conjugation will be Jagat.
Jagat nahi, madam. Trimshat.
Why Trimshat Mat?
Here, Trimshat nahi here. Trimshat Tamaha for you. Attam is if you take it, Trimshat Tamam. Because you can never use Trimshat for Purana Pratyayanta. You have to add after 29, after
Okay, after
19.
20, okay. Okay, okay.
Vimshati Tamaha, Vimshati Tami,
So
Vimshati Tamam. Trimshat
Tamaha after that.
Tamaha. Like that only you have to use. Here
Okay.
Tamaha, because Attam, you told Attaha, Attam is
Huh.
Napumsalingam. So Tamam will be there. Trimshat Tamam, Tasya Panchami Vibhakti will be Trimshat Tamat. Because Pullingam and Napumsalingam after third identical only, no? So Trimshat Tamat. Next, sir. What is the name of the 9th boy? 9 means Navami.
Now,
Okay, Navami for lady, Navamaha, Navami, Navamam. Okay, now Balakasya, 6th
Nava,
vibhakti.
Navamasya Balakasya Nama Kim?
That's all, correct. Chatra, Strilingam, na?
Chatra Vidyalayam Gachati. So Dve. So Dve Dvitiya Chatra Vidyalayam Gachati.
Dvitiya Chatra. Okay. That's Purna Pratyaya, the original visa, no? Pratamaha, Pratama, Pratamam, Dvitiyaha, Dvitiya, Dvitiyam. After that, Panchami, Saptami, lady will be instead of A, it will become E, it will become. So, Ikara only you have to apply. Okay, next. Okay, like this it will be there. Sir, if you want, this is difficult to leave it. What is in book, you try to do it. Book homework, if you are done, you are started. I have lesson-wise homework and answer also, which I am having. So for 1 and 2, you have done. I will send you 1 and 2 to your own personal number because others will get worried. What is this there? Because they are not attending the class, they may not know. So you attend only that and send me the answer. I have answer key also with me. Lesson-wise, whatever 10 lesson, it won't take you since you are only studying for that exam, though you have easily you can finish. If you are working and doing other work, it will be difficult. So we will come out of this. Okay, shall we proceed further? I will come out of
yeah,
the
ma'am.
port.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then this comes. This is a very important lesson, Chittana Prayoga. I have to take for others because this is one of the important grammar rule. This Chittana Prayoga, this is in the place of Kim. Okay, you all know, no, there's a Kim Shabda Rupam. Unless you know the Kim Shabda Rupam, you cannot do this. Okay. Sir, madam, can you, or sir, you tell me the Pullinga Rupam of Kim Shabdam? Pullinga Rupam, Kim Shabdam. Take the book, see and tell me. That's also okay. It is there in the Pravesha book.
Kaha, ma'am.
Correct.
Kaha kau kaha.
Kaha.
Kaha kau kaha.
Sahatau te. Sahada original root. These are all Sarvanama Padam. So it will not go like Rama Padam. It is not Akara and the Pullinga Rupam. Sahatau te. So kaha kau ke.
कहा कौ के, कहा
Hmm.
कौ के.
So you keep the saha sabdam. Tad sabdam hai na aapke paas. That should be in your hand. Then it will be easy for you. You take like Umaji, you also take the sabda book. That will be
Yeah.
easy.
Can I read it out?
Yes, madam. Please.
It is ka kau ke, kam kau kan, kena kabhyam kai, kaihi kasmai kabhyam kebhya, kasmat kabhyam kebhya, kasya kayoho kesham, kasmin kayoho keshu.
Can you tell between Rama Sabdam and this, where is the difference? Are they identical or there is some difference?
Ramam, Ramau, Raman, Ramena, Ramabhyam,
No, this will not be
Ramihi.
like that. Na?
No, it is
So,
Ram.
Sarvanama Sabdam will not be like Akaranta Pullinga Sabdam. That you have to be very clear. So, Sarvanama Sabdam, basically, Tad Sabdam you all know. Okay. Sahatau te, tam thau tan, tena tabhyam taihi, tasmai tabhyam. In the wherever the tha is there, you put ka will do. That's all. Saha, kaha, kau, ke, kam, kau, khan, kena kabhyam kaihi. Okay. Kasmai kabhyam kebhyah, kasmat kabhyam kebhyah, kasya kayoho kesham, kasmin kayoho keshu. But that tad sabdam pullinga rupam is the same for kaha. This is kim sabdam pullinga rupam. So only one. It is nothing to do with the Rama sabdam. They are all nama sabda rupams. They take a different route. This is sarva nama sabdam. They have a different route. Okay. So Rama, Ramo, Ramaha. So if you think kaha, kau, kaha, finished. It will not work out. You have to be very clear. Same rupam only. Yeshaha, etau, ete. When it comes, yeshaha in the place like you have to put the ekaha. In the place of tau, tha, you put ka. That's all. The same thing will go. Similarly, yaha, yau, ye, yaha, like that. So, makaranda, pullinga, kim shabdam, you must know thoroughly to know the chittachana pratyam. So, kaha kauke, you know now. This remember. Similarly, you must compulsorily know the strilinga rupam of the same thing. Makaranta, strilinga, kim shabdam. Can you read, madam? Ka, ke, kaha.
का के काह काम के काह कया काभ्याम काभिः कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्यः कस्याः काभ्याम काभ्यः कस्याः कयोः कासाम कस्याम कयोः कासु.
Right. What about the kim shabdam, napusalingam? Napusalingam.
It will be the same. Okay.
So, tell me. It cannot be anything except kim ke kani, kim ke kani.
Yeah.
Kim ke kani, kim ke kani.
And the
After
rest
that,
is
same,
after pulling.
all same like pulling. These three you have to write down in your notebook and keep it ready. With that only you can go further with the chitta chana prayoga. So you will ask the question, when you will you use these things? You see somebody going there, but you cannot identify who it is. You say, what you tell your friend? See, I can see somebody going. Some woman is going there. Which woman you don't know. If you know that, you will say Padmavati is going there. You will say, Sir, Mahodaya is going there. But you don't know. But you know somebody is going there, a female is going, or a male is going, or a baby is going, and but you cannot identify. So depending on the situation, you will substitute the Kim Sabdam wherever you are not sure of exactly who is going or what is being done. Is it clear? Up till this, is it clear? You will see the
Ma'am,
Udahara.
Kim Shabdam, Makaranta, only first and second is Kim Ke Kani, Kim Ke Kani. From third Vibhakti, it is all Pullingam, no?
Yeah, pulling only. For Napumsalingam, Kimke Kani eva, from the third Kenal, it is identical to Pullinga Sabdam. Sri Lingam, you know, Sa, that one. Sa, whatever you want to, sa, te, taha. Same thing for ka, ke, ta, kaha. Like that it will go. See, you take the tad sabdam. From tad sabdam only it is sarvanama sabdam. Sarvanama sabdam is different from the akara and the pullinga raman sabdam, ikara and the hari sabdam, ukara and the guru sabdam. They are nama sabdam. They are different. How they are arrived at is different. That how they are arrived at, once you learn, you will be a king. Till such time you have to manage mugging up all these things. Okay?
So
Now,
most of the Dakaranta, Makaranta, they all follow Pullinga Rupam, I think.
how you say? Now the first udaharanam you read it.
Kaschit Gachati.
No, Kachit is not there.
Kachit, sorry. Kachit. Kachit
Ka
Gachati.
plus chit. Sir, sound something. Ka plus chit you have added, correct? Okay, ka plus chit. Ka comes where? Strilingam evana. Kaha is not there. Ka is there. Kaha, somebody is going, I know. So, Padma Gachati, I can say if I know very well. I know you are going to Mahodaya Gachati, I can say. But I know somebody is going, but I cannot find out who it is. Somebody is going, some. So, Kachit. This is Strilinga Rupam. Ka Gachati iti Nichayaha Nasti. Who is that? I cannot say. Wherever Nichayaha Nasti, you are going to use Chit, Naito Chana. This Chit and Chana identical. Okay, either you can use chit or you can use chana. It has no different meaning at all. Use either chit or chana, identical meaning only. So, ka chit gachati, some lady is going, or ka chana gachati. Same meaning. So, chit chanakali, there is no difference. They are identical. Only you have to add ka, kam, whatever it is. So, now convert this into strilingam. Sorry, pullingam.
Kachit.
சொல்லுங்க
Kachit.
கஷ்டித்
Kachit
gachati.
Kachit Gachati.
But what you are there, actually what is there? Kashchit gachati. You know kim shabdam only comes. What is the pullinga kim shabdam?
Kaha.
Kaha.
Kaha. Kaha.
Kaha plus chit. Okay, yeah. Kaha plus
Kaschit.
chit.
Kaschit.
Kaha plus chit. That visargam has become ish. Kashchit. It is visarga sandhi. Okay. Visargasya sakaram we call it. Sakaram will come and it will become this one. So kashchit. You know, by telling again and again, you know, even though you don't, maybe you know Visarga Sandhi. If you don't know Visarga Sandhi, you cannot say that. But you know, we are using kashchit. Actually, it is kahachit gachati. Kaha, who, chit, I don't know who is gachati. But kahachit compulsorily Visargam is there, so you have to do kashchit gachati. Okay, yeah. Then next, madam, kaschana.
Kashtana
Abhinayati.
कश्चन अभिनयति अत्र कः अभिनयति इति निश्चय नास्ति. Somebody is acting. अभिनयति. Kaschan.
So kaha, kash it has come. So ka plus visargam is there. Kaha, pullingam. Some man is doing the acting. Okay. Can you convert it to strilingam?
Kaschan abhinayati.
Ka issue you are putting. Kala, whether visargam is there?
No.
So kachana.
Kachana. Okay, kachana.
If
Abhinayati.
visargam is there, that visargam will become that the ish, that is takaranta ish is there, no? It will become that 21 sakaranta. So here when it is a strilingam, kachit only is there, kaschit is not there. Similarly here chana also kachana only. Visargam asti cheti eva ish will come. So be very clear. What is a kim shabdam for pullingam? You first put it. Kaha, visargam is there, remember it will become ish. That much if you remember enough. Okay? The whole thing, chitsana depends upon visarga sandhi and this also, hal sandhi also. Okay? Vyanjana sandhi, hal sandhi. But you have for your exam only this one, that is acha sandhi, isn't it? Swara sandhi only you have studied. So these two you don't know. But here in Chittasana, these two sandhis will very much come. Whatever I say, you write down. Visargam plus chit when it comes, kaha. Visargam will become ish. Why it becomes later on, you write down, but right now you put ish, it will become. Next, what sir is there? Okay. Second, third one, read madam. Ganesha.
गणेशः केनचित् सह क्रीडति.
Now, Saha has come. You know, no? Saha is Upapada
Tritiya.
Bhakti.
Tritiya.
Ramena Saga Sita Gachati. Okay, Lakshmanena Saga Ramaha Gachati. So, when Saha comes, you should be, the nearby word should be in Tritiya Bhakti. This is known as Upapada Bhakti. You must be reading somewhere. So, somebody is going with Rameshaha. Okay, but who is that? I don't know. So, if it is Rameshaha, Lakshmanena Saha, you can easily tell. But you don't know Lakshmana or he is Bharata or what the hell you don't know. So you have to put a chit and you have to use that ka, that is the third, that is for pullingam. So kena, you clear? Ramena you can know, but Rama we don't know, it is some chit. So kena chit, saha kridati. That is Ramesha is playing with somebody. You convert it to Strilinga, madam. Radha, you put it instead of Ramesha. Radha is playing with some girl.
So Radha
Mm.
kayachit
Very good. Kayachit saha kridati. Correct. Kenachit kayachit. Okay, yeah? Up till this, if you are clear, very good. Okay, we can proceed. Then, you can read, madam. What are the niyamaha? We will read it, then we will proceed further.
चित्तचन प्रयोगः
चित्
केचन
चन प्रयोगः
शब्दस्य अन्ते म अस्ति तर्हि ञ इति वर्ण योजयामः.
Remember?
उदाहरणं कं प्रत्युत.
Correct. See, if it is a Dudya Vachanam, Dudya Vibhakti, sorry. If it is a Dudya Vibhakti, kam will come, no? Kaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, kam is Dudya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, kam chit you want to add, kam will come, after that chit will be there. Whereas this makaram comes, you have to put the nya, that is chakarasya last letter is there, no? Chavarnasya last letter. That nya you have to put it. This is nothing but parasavarna sandhi. It is the Vyanjana sandhi or hal sandhi. You did not know it. But so they are giving the shortcut direct. Why it became and all, you will learn in Kovida. Compulsorily you have to learn by the time. But for the time being, remember, im will become ing. Due to parasavarna sandhi, just remember it. So kam plus chit will always become kang chit. Kankanam, you also know, it is actually kamkanam. We call it as kankanam because it changes. Okay? So,
Vargiya Anuswara we have to use, madam.
With Anuswara. Chakarasya Anuswara. Because
Chakarasya.
what is there is chittile chakaram is there. Kam plus chit, chakaram is there. Chakarasya last letter you have to use. So, kam chit. This you have to write down. This is a sandhi rule. Since you did not learn the sandhi, we all know. We will directly put parasavarna sandhi. So, the chakarasya last letter, what is that? That we will put it. But since you did not learn, you have to write it. So, makaram asti chet. Dvitiya bhakti ekavachana makaram compulsory. Kam, wherever you take, it will be there. So, you have to put ing. Next. Shabdasya ante nakaram asti. Read, madam. Ma'am is not there. Okay. Shabdasya ante.
Okay.
I'll
Read, ma'am.
Sir, you're reading?
You read. Any one of you read.
शब्दस्य अन्ते न अस्ति तर्हि श इति वर्ण
Madam, you can never say in this one. You have to say nakaram only.
नकारम् अस्ति तर्हि शकारम् इति वर्ण योजयामः.
Read it is only not shakaram. Can you see one anuswaram is there? Or round and at the top one dot is there means anuswaram. Remember, we used to put one dot at the top. It means anuswaram. But Anuswara Sandhi you are not done because it is all Hal Sandhi. So Anuswaram plus one ish will come. Okay. Yeah? For example, Kan Chit, if it is there, in the place of Kan, in one Anuswaram and one Shakaram will come. See, Ka plus Anuswaram dot is there, then one Shakaram is there in between Ish, then Chit is there. This is again nothing but Halsandi rules. You have to write down because unless you master Chit Chana, this exam is difficult. 5 mark question is coming. So this is nothing but a Sattva Sandhi. As you go further, first one is Parasavana Sandhi, second one is Sattva Sandhi. Nobody will ask you which Sandhi it is because your syllabus it is not there. Just for your knowledge I am telling. So, Purva Varnasya, Antima Varnaka, Nakaramasya, where it will come, can you tell? You all know the entire Sabdaruma. Kaha, Kau, Ke, all you know. Where Kan will come, that Nakaram, what are the areas it will come? Second, Dudya Bhakti Ekavachatala Nakaram asti, correct?
Makaram no, ma'am.
Sorry, Bahuvachanatala Nakaram. Kan is in Dudya Bhakti Bahuvachanam. So Bahuvachanam by Nakaram asti. Then, seventh Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Kena, Kayoho.
Saptami, Kasmin.
Kasmin.
So only two places. If you are going to get Dudya Bhakti Bhagavachanam, you will have to put Kan plus Chitti when you write it, dot plus Ish you must put. In the place of in, you have to put a dot plus Shakaram. Similarly, Kasmin Chitta, in some place. Okay, I have lost the pen, where I kept it, I don't know. You don't know where. Then how will you say Kutra Chitta, right? Kasmin Chitta. Kutra also okay. Kasmin also okay. When you say Kasmin Chitta, when you join in and Chitta together, that in will disappear. In its place, one dot at the top and one Shakaram. Just a half letter. Okay, not the full letter, just the is. Is it clear? Shall we proceed?
Amen.
Okay. Next. Shabdasya ante visargaha. I told you in the beginning, visargam asti chet. In the place of visargam, you have to put shakaram, ish. Kaha plus chit, kashchit. Okay? So 3 rules we have learned. Wherever visargam is there, shakaram will come. Ish, half letter will come. Wherever im makaram is there, in the places chakarasya last letter will come. Wherever nakaram is there, in is there, and in will disappear, at the top dot plus shakaram will come. Is it clear? Okay. Reading, sir, read it please.
Chit chana ittettayoho arthabedah kopi nasti. Ittettayoho.
Is there any sandhi there? But
yeah, it is sandhi. Sandhi is there.
Sandhi? Tell what sandhi?
Iti tayoho it plus yat. No.
See, you have done one thing correct. Iti, if it is there only, it will become it. Plus in the place of e, what will come? E
will come.
Ya has become so, a here.
E so it
plus
is
what?
It is the end sandhi.
End sandhi. E plus what will become a?
Iti plus atayoho.
No, sir.
No.
See, what you are telling is, iti was there, so you have put it. So e has become e. In the place of e is there. E, it is shown as a. So what would have been there? A should be there. Etayoho. E plus a is equal to a, correct? So iti etayoho is equal to iti plus etaye, that achuvarnam, swaram.
Okay.
So iti plus etayoho yan sandhi.
Yan sandhi. Okay. Etayoho. Okay.
Etayoho, which vibhakti it is?
Etayoho is seventh vibhakti, saptami.
Sixth and seven. Dvivachanam is same. Yeah.
Correct.
6 and
Correct.
7
Correct.
Dvivachanam is same.
6th and 7th.
So
Both
in
are
this
same.
case, it is 6th. It belongs
Okay.
half. The meaning is half of these two like that. So it is 6th here. Artha Bedaha Kopi Nasti. Kopi means
Of
Kaha plus Api. That letter S means
Purva
always.
Rupa Sandhi.
Very good. Okay, Kopi Nasti. Next.
Yatha
Hmm.
Apanatah Apanatah.
Apanataha.
Apanatah
Hmm.
Kanichit Vastrani Anayami.
Hmm.
Apanatah means from the shop.
From the shop. Very good.
Ataha means from.
No.
Kanichit.
Apana. See, either
Ataha.
you can say apanat, you can say. You know the rule is apanam, correct? Shop. Apanat you can say. Otherwise, there is something called tasil pratyayam. You have not studied it. There is something called tasil, tadida pratyayam we call it. If you add it, it gives the fifth letter meaning. Ramataha, Krishnataha, Apanataha. Once you put that tasil, taha, that tasil pratyayam. If you add it, it gives the fifth vibhakti. That's the rule. So here apanataha you can write or apanat. Ramat you can write another ramataha. Vidyalayat gramam gachati. Vidyalayataha gramam gachati. So taha is equal to that at Ramat Krishnat. Okay, yeah?
Sasyam they taught this.
Okay.
So Apanatah.
Tasil not now. Only when you reach Kovida you will learn.
Okay. Because they taught the Purataha,
Yes, exactly.
Vamataha, Dakshinataha, all that.
Correct. Actually, you have to do all this Ramataha, Purataka and all. While speaking, we don't say Ramat like that and all. We will not say. We will say Ramataha. Because Ramataha aham prapnoti. From Rama I took it. Like that you will say. Yes, sir.
Astu.
What is
Apanataha.
Kanichit?
Kanichit is the Srilingam. Kan.
Kani. Kani. Kim. Kim
Kim ke Kani. Kim ke Kani. Kim. So Napumsakalinga. Kshamata. Kanichit Vastrani.
Vastram is namtavam, so kanichit. Vastrani is plural, so kani. If it is vastram is there, he is going to buy only one cloth. What will be there? Only one cloth.
Wait a
Kimchit.
Kim. Okay, madam. Kim plus chit. Very good. But
Correct,
him will become what?
Kinchit.
Kinjit. We shall know even in our own mother tongue also we say kinjit, bring it. Very little, only one. Kinjit we say no. Because Kim has become ing. Kinjit we say. Very good.
Nasal.
Kinchit vastram
anayami.
Okay. If it is more than one but less than 3, 2. If it is 2.
Kim ke kani. So kena chit.
Kena tritiya bhakti. Ke chit. Kim ke kani. Ke only. So kim you have used. Now K plus chit, K chit. There is no visargam kuch nahi. Simply add it. K chit. Vastrani will become what?
Vastram.
Vastre. Okay, kim ke kani vastre. So you will say ke chit vastre anayami. Okay, yeah? No problem. Next. Madam, can you read Kachit?
Kachit Mahila Gachati. This is equal to Kachan Mahila Gachati because Chit and Chan, there is no difference.
Channa nahi, madam, it is chana. Chit only chit. It is only chana. Full na is there. It is not hal letter nahi. Next.
Halantam nasti.
Yeah, correct. Good. I got stuck off. Sir is applying. Very good. Tell me, madam. Saha.
Kaschit Balakaha.
So what is there in the
Balakaha?
Kaschitila, what is the word?
Kaha plus chit.
Kaha plus chit. Visargam has become ish. Okay, very good. Next, read. Tatra.
Tatra kinchit pustakam asti.
What you added there?
Tatra kinchit. Kinchit
Kim,
is kinchit. Kim plus
Kim
chit.
plus chit. Very good. Why Kim you have put? Why
Kim
not?
because it's pustakam. Pustakam
Very good.
napunsakalinga.
Very good. Very good. Very nice, madam. Now, this is very important. This is what just now you told, no? Now, here you have to read properly. Kaha will become kaschit. Okay. The cow will become kauchit because no visargam nathu, so ishi will not come. Cow will be as it is. K will be simply kechit. Is it clear? First line only I am reading. Similarly, second, third we have to do, but use one sentence. Sir, start. Kaschit, one sentence you tell.
Kaschita, okay.
It is pullingam singular. Remember that.
Kaschit balakah patati.
Patati, very good. Tatra kaschit bal. And that somebody is studying. Very good. Second, two balakah padi.
Kauchit balakau patatah.
Very good. Very nice.
Ke chit balakaha patanti.
Very good. Madam?
Yeah. Kauchit. So this will be Ditya. Aham Kanchit. What is it? Yanam. No, yeah, it will be.
It could be anything. Come if you use, it is definitely, it is pullingam. Pullingam.
Or
if it is Strilingam, it will be kam. If it is Napusalingam, it will be kim. So you are using kam, kanchit. So pullingam only you are sitting.
Pustakam. Pustakam will be Napunsakalika. I can still use it. No, it will become.
You cannot use it. Why? You have to use now. Aham, kanchit.
What shall I use now? Chitram. No, Chitram is again.
Balakam use.
One sentence you tell without using kanchit. Instead of kam, you use ramam. Something you tell. Aham ramam pashyami. Okay, I saw Rama. Okay, yeah. Aham ramam. Now you don't know whether it is ramam. You saw somebody. Aham
Kaschit balakam. No, aham kaschit balakam.
Kanjit balaham pashyami. Correct. Correct. It is confusing because suddenly you are not used to it, I am asking. But this is it. For example, aham Ramaha Sitam pashyati. Okay. Ramaha Sitam pashyati. Now how will you say? Ramaha
Kaschit.
Sitam.
No, Sita will be calm. Kaschit Mahilam Pashyati.
Madam, calm you told. Im will become what?
Kanchit.
Very good. Ramaha Kanjit Mahilam Pashyati. Something, whatever you want to say. Okay. Total difficult, but it is very good. Like this, I have not studied. We only remembered only this thing example. But if you can use it very easily, you can master the language. Very good. Now, can you try pullingam cow?
Cow. Aham Kauchit Balakau Pashami.
Sure, okay. Khan.
Aham Kechit
Instead of aham, you use something else. Ramaha, alladhe something.
Kechit
Madam, okay. You are in the Dudya Vibhakti.
Okay. Ramaha Kauchit
Khan is there. Khan. In will become im and ish. Okay, Kanchit or Kanchana.
Kanchit Balakan Pashyati.
Balakan, Asuran. Our Rama Purana Rama Asura, so we can say Rakshasana. Ramaha Pashyati, there is no problem. Allada Apashyat, past tense, if you want to put it. Because Ramaha cannot be Pashyati now, if you use that Rama. So Ramaha Kanchit, Kamshit, Ish should be there because will be replaced by two letters. Dot plus Ish. Kamshit, Asuran, Rakshasan, Apashyat, he saw. Adrishyat also you can put it. Next, Kena. Sir, try. Tritiya Vibhakti, okay?
I will try.
First, you tell one normal sentence, okay?
Okay.
Using Tritiya Vibhakti. Then that you convert it to Kachit Kanchit.
Ramena,
Hmm.
Ramena, Bharatam,
Ramena?
Ramena,
Hmm.
Ramena,
Ramena Saga Sita Gachati. Yeah, what do you want to say?
Ramena Saha Sita Gachati.
Okay.
So that is the standard sentence.
Okay. In the place
So,
of Ramena, use.
Kenachit Sita Gachati.
What about Saha? Who will put Saha there?
Kena Saha.
Kenachit Saha Sita
Kenachit
Gachati.
Saha Sita Gachati.
Next.
Kabhyam.
Goes with the two people.
Now Dvivachana.
Hmm.
Kabhyashchit. Because Kabhyam.
With Kabhyam is
Kabhyam,
Makari.
no.
It is
So
replaced by Nyakar.
is replaced with
Yeah.
nya.
Ing. Correct.
Kabhyanschit. Kabhyanschit saha
Sita Gachati.
Sita Gachati.
Gachati only because here Karta is only Sita. So Sita will be always singular, either Gachati or Gachat only, past tense. Okay. So don't change the verb because you are changing this. It has no meaning. What is the Karta? That verb will match the Karta only. It will never change. Sita went with many people.
Sita went with two people.
Many people.
Okay. Okay. Next sentence. So Kaihi means Kaishchit. Kaihi plus chit. So Visarga Lopa. Kaishchit saha. Kaishchit saha Sita Gachati.
Correct. Okay. In the place of Sita, can you put te? Many people went with some unknown people. Te.
Kaishchit te
Kaishchit
saha te gachanti.
You use the no, te will become Gachanti. That is what I want.
Bahuvachan.
Madam, Kasmai.
Kasmai.
See the difference between that Nama Pada, Ramaya will come.
Okay.
From this onwards, it will become Kasmai, Kasyai. So this is very different.
Ramaha Kasmaichit Gurave Namati.
Namati will not come. Gurave Namaha. The Sabdam Namaha Swasta Swat. That you know, the Namaha Sabdam alone will take Chaturthi Bhakti. Okay.
So
Gurave Namaha, like that it should come. Ram. It should not be. The Namaha Sabdam will take it. Swasti Swaha. Dadati you use.
Ramaha Kasmaichit Balakai. What will it be?
Balakaya.
Annam Dadati.
Madam, look here. Here Kasmai came because it is in the, what do you call? General. Whereas you have to use only Balakaya or Ramaya. Like that only. Okay. This is very important.
Balakaya Annam Dadati. Ramaha Kasmaichit Balakaya.
Madam, Divya Vachana means Kabhyam Chit. Where it has come. So you have to put Kavyang Chit. Okay?
Kabhyang Chit Annam Dadati.
बालकौ अन्नं ददाति.
बालकौ अन्नं ददाति.
Hmm.
रामः केभ्यश्चित् बालकाः
कैः
बालकैः
काव्यां कैः
रामः केभ्यश्चित्
कै
बालकैः अन्नं ददाति.
कैः चित् मैडम तृतीया बहुवचनं मीन्स् रामः. ओके कैः चित् विसर्गम् इस्
कैश्चित्
देयर, सो इश्
okay,
कम्स्,
okay.
सो कैश्चित्
No,
बालकः
it will
वरादु.
be
वाट् विल् कम्? बालकाः
will
अन्नं
be
ददाति.
Chaturthi, no ma'am?
Chaturthi is that. That is because of that only you are using kaihi.
Chaturthi, will it not
Oh,
be
sorry.
Kedbhya, no?
I also got little confused.
Sorry. Kebechit. Sorry. I was
Kedbhyachit
suddenly confused what I have done. Okay.
बालकेभ्यः अन्नं ददाति.
Correct. Okay, sir, kasmat.
Kasmat is similar to Ramat. So
Use kasmat chitte. Here it means from. Okay, yeah. So your sentence first you use some normal sentence. Ramat, you got something, let us say. Ramat.
Bharatah Ramat Padukam Swikaroti.
Bharatah Ramat Padukam. But now he doesn't know Ramat. Okay, yeah.
Kasmat Bharatah Padukam Swikarati.
Kasmat nahi, kasmat.
Alala. Kasmachit. Yo. Kaschit or Kaschit, no?
No, kasmat no.
Okay. Fifth.
So kasmachit.
Kasmachit. Correct.
Kasmachit.
Bharatah Padukam Swikaroti. Next, Dvivachan. Kabhyam, no? Kabhyam, Am becomes An. So, Kabhyanchit Bharatah Padukam Swikaroti.
Padukam only same.
Padukau.
Padukau you can use. Maybe they all two together gave one also. Okay. We don't know. Next.
Then Kebbeha. Kebbeha is
Kebyanchit. Visargam will become ish. That's all. Kebeshchit.
Visargam will become ish.
So Kebeshchit.
Ishchit. Kebeshchit Bharatah Padukau Swikaroti.
Padukau you want to put sorry. You can put Padukaha.
Because there are two pair of slippers. Pair of.
If you want Bhagavachanam, you can put it. I'm telling you, either singular. Okay, madam. Next is Sashti.
Kasya. So
normal sentence only you form first.
Mata. No, not Mata.
Okay, use no Mata, no problem. Mata.
Kasyachit. Balak. It will become what? Balakasya. Pustakam. Yachati.
Yachati means what? She's getting.
To ask.
Yachati. Will it come with the sixth vibhakti? Yachadatu. Okay. Something else simple you use, no? Kasya. Kasya putraha, we are telling, no? Kasya putraha Ramaha, like that. But you don't know, Ramaha is Dasaradasya putraha. But Dasaradasya you don't know. Ramaha, Kasyachit Rajasya putraha. Kasyachit Rajasya putraha. Like that we can.
Rama Lakshmano. Rama Lakshmano. Kayoshchit Rajau Putrau.
But here it will not work out. The sentence
No,
has
it
no
will not work
meaning
out.
because Rama Lakshmana will have only one father. So Kasyachit Rajasya Putra. They will become Putrau.
Mata. So it
Ah.
can be Rama Lakshmana. No, Kayo will become what in Strilinga?
What
Uh,
Kasya?
this Rama Lata.
Dvivachanam is always Kayo only.
Kayo, huh? So Kayo Mata
Mata oda Dvivachanam Mataram.
Mataram.
No,
Dvivachanam.
இல்ல மாதரி மாத்ரியோஹோ
So it will
கயோஷ்சித்
be complicated.
மாத்ரியோஹோ
Putrau.
புத்திரௌ பவதி
हाँ,
பவதி இல்ல
मातरौ
பவதः
இல்லை मातरौ हाँ भवति
புத்திரௌ பவதः
हाँ. So then more than three Rama Lakshmana Bharata
ஓகே
will
ஓகே
या
சத்ருக்னாக
Pandava
சத்ருக்னாக
Shatrugnaha
கேஷுச்சித்
Keshanchit no it will be Keshanchit no
கேஷுச்சித் only no oh for you want ஸ்ரீலிங்கமா
Strilinga Keshanchit
ஸ்ரீலிங்க
Mataraha
you are using ஆமா
Putraha
கேஷாம் is for this only
This is
that
too
is
complicated a
pullingam
sentence.
ஸ்ரீலிங்கம்
Everything. Uh,
ஸ்ரீலிங்கம் கேஷாம் எவ காசாம் காசாம்
Keshanam.
காசாம்
Keshanam.
madam
Kasam.
if you want to use the lady as ஸ்ரீலிங்கம் காசாம்
Ka,
காசாம்
Ka will be Kasam.
காசாம்
Kasam.
im will come and it will be a
Putraha.
dot and s காசாம்
Putraha.
மாதா what is that
Mataraha.
இல்ல sixth vibhakti is yeah
Matrunam.
மாத்துஹு மாத்ருணாம்
Matrunam. No, too complicated
புத்திராக
the sentence.
புத்திராக பவந்தி
Bhavati.
Papa, you will
Too
feel tired.
complicated.
Very tough, na? But like this, if you write now, you'll become a master, I tell you. But at this stage, you are trying so much. It's great, I tell you. Because we were
This
so
is the only
stubborn.
reason we have to attend class, madam.
That is true. Actually, we will get confused. What we are using, where is the Kartru Padam, where is the Kriya Padam? Kartru and Kriya should always match. Be very clear. Ramaga does something to, Kriya is done by Rama to, Ramaga, what is that? Patati, Gachati, Davati, only that will come. Rama, two people are doing something, Taha only will come. Rama, mean more, Ramaha something to, it will be Patanti, Davanti, like that. This is clear. Then in between you have to put Dvitiya Vibhakti. If they are singular, come, lady to come, like that it will go. If it is Bahuvachanam, Khan for Pullingam, Kaha for Strilingam, like that Dvitiya Vibhakti, wherever Karma Padam you have to fill it up. In between Tritiya Vibhakti, Ramena Saga, Sitaya Saga, like that you know, accordingly Strilingam to Sitaya, Ramena, like that you have to fill it up. But it needs a lot of practice. I am very happy about your background. Sir, Kasvin, I have lost my pen somewhere. I have given my word, this one. You use that.
Aham kasmin. Aham
But you don't know exactly where. Kasmin chit?
Kasmin chit mama lekhani. Last means
Patati, vidundu vittu. It is it has fallen down. Okay, mama lekhani kasmin chit stale patati. Some place it has fallen down. Okay. Up till this, is it clear, sir? Okay. Second, Dvidiya Vibhakti. No. Instead of going here, can we, what is this Kim Shabdam? Strilingam, just to read it, because so Pullingam we have almost done. Strilingam you cover it, sir.
Okay. Kayoho, no? Saptami?
No. From the,
Kayoho.
I have shown the screen. Look at the screen. Makara.
So start from the Prathama Vibhakti?
Everything. The whole screen you read.
Okay. So I'll start with Ka ke Kaha. So Ka, Sita, सीता पठति का पठति काचित् पठति
Kachit balaki. What is that we call
बालक
little kid?
बालिका बालिका
Balika. Sorry,
काचित्
balika. Kachit
काचित्
balika patati. Question. Okay.
हाँ,
Otherwise,
हाँ,
kachit balika patra. Kachit balika padti. In that place, some lady is studying. Okay. Second. Kechit.
के बालिके अल केचित् बालिके पठतः
Right.
काः सो काचित् काचित्
Balikaah.
बालिकाः काचित् बालिकाः पठन्ति
அவ்வளவுதான். Madam, next come.
Sorry, ma'am, what is it?
Next, on the screen la come.
द्वितीया विभक्ति
Dvitiya
First
Vibhakti.
lingam, come. To form normal
Kanchit
sentence with that calm in the mind.
Balika
Get that.
Vidyalayam Gachati. Kanchit
Balika will not
Balika
come there. It should be Dvidiya Vibhakti. Maranam. There karma padam.
Balika, okay.
Pustakam padati. Okay, okay. Vidyalayam gachati. Okay.
Vidya. So Kanchit
Balika. Kanchit.
Kanchit should be object, no?
No. Only Balika is the object. You are telling, no, some lady or Sita. Sita Vidyalayam gachati, you told. Sita, which Vidyalayam you don't know, na?
Vidyalayam. Vidyalaya will be pulling, na?
No. Vidyalayam is Vidyalayaha, pullinga. That is okay.
So
you want to make it Shala. Shala use it.
So,
Shala.
Kanchit Shalam Gachati.
Correct.
Balike Kechit.
Balike is no use here. Here. Balika, single Balika can be there. Two places she is going. Like that you have to tell. Rama Kechit.
Rama Kechit
Vidyalaya. Kechit. Shala. Shale. Kechit Shale.
Gachati. Gachati.
Correct.
Sita
Gachati. So Kechit Shale potinde. Correct.
Kachit Shalaha Gachati.
Gachati. Okay. Tritiya. So okay. Up till this we will stop it. Something else is there we will say. Kim Shabdam. Because 8:30 ho gaya to we will stop it. At least this lesson I want to complete it. Kim Shabdam.
Kim is so Napumsakalinga. Palam patati. Simple sentence. Kim patati. Allah.
You know. You know.
I have to add chit and chan. I keep forgetting it. Kinchit. Kim plus chit. So kinchit patati.
See, for example, you say vriksha, from the vrikshat amraphalam padati. Let us say. Is that? But you don't know whether it is
rukshat. Bird is falling something. So rukshat kinchit patati.
Phalam padati. Which phalam you don't know. Kinjit phalam padati. Which phalam you don't know. Vrikshat kinjit phalam padati.
Rukshat kechit.
Leave it. That. Dvidiya you go. Dvidiya Kim.
That's right.
And also kinjit, but the meaning will be different.
So two things will follow. Rukshat kechit patatah.
No, Dvidiya Vibhakti, no. I am asking this one, Dvitiya, this one, second Kim, singular only.
Oh, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Oh, sorry. Okay. Kim.
Rama, that's all I will tell you. Rama, Sitam, Pashyati. Change it.
Rama, Ramah, Kachit Pashyati.
That is because lady I told you. Now I want kinjit. So something else. What?
खादति राम
Chitram. Okay,
किञ्चित्
Rama Chitram Pashyati.
राम चित्रं पश्यति राम
Rama
किं
Kinjit.
राम
Chitram also I have to
किञ्चित्
qualify.
किञ्चित् पश्यति
Kinjit Chitram Pashyati. Maybe we should say Rama Narayanasya Chitram Pashyati. Something like
किञ्चित् नो
Kinjit. Second also. Okay.
ओके
So this tough only, but we can try. To try this, then we will see.
I have to practice.
Ah.
I'll practice.
Now these are all there. We have seen only. In this place of Kim, no, we can use Kutra Kati Gada. You remember 7. Saptakahara we learned. That also. Kutra Chitte, Kati Chitte, Kada Chitte, Kutaka Chitte, everything also you can use. Okay, you understand? Whatever we have done that can be used. For example, this Udaharanam, can you read, sir, Mama?
मम लेखनी कुत्रचित् पतिता.
Why patita? Because lekani is strilingam. Patita is ikta pratyayam. Patitaha patita patitam. Like that it will come. Ikta pratyayam. You have not learnt. That is one thing is there. So mama lekani kutrachit patita. Past tense. Instead of kutrachit, you can say kasminchit also you can say. So saptakahara also chitchana we can be used. Next read balye.
बाल्ये अहं कदाचित् हरिद्वारं गतवान्.
When did you go? You don't remember. So kadachit. Sometime I went. Next, madam, Prakoste. Madam is not there. Huh? Okay. Sir, you read.
प्रकोष्ठे कुतश्चित् शौतवायुः आगच्छति.
Shita-vayuhu. Shita means cold.
Cold air.
Shita. Shitalam means cold. Na? So Shita-vayu. Somewhere, Prakoste in the place, from somewhere, cold the air is coming. Shita-vayuhu agachati. So, from somewhere, if you want to use, Kutahachit can be used. Next.
कतिचित् नाणकानि प्राप्य भिक्षुकः सन्तुष्टः.
Say, Bhikshukah Santushtah. Bhikshukah felt happy. Doi Prapya. What? Nanakani. He got some children. Nanakani. How much he doesn't know. So, Kadichi. Kati is always a number, na? So, Katichit Nanakani. How much exactly he doesn't know. So, some Nanakani Prapya having obtained. Bhikshukah Santushtah. He felt very happy.
कथंश्चित् बालकः वृक्षाम् आरूढवान्.
Katam means how, somehow. Yeah. Somehow that balakaha arudavan climbed into the tree. That's all. Okay. Then we have this Vyavahara Sabdaha in this lesson. You have to only mug up, but you can, I have it in Tamil, but I don't think you can read it. So you read from your book only.
Okay.
Because this let us know, Dvipaha means that Deepam we have written. Brahma Saikatam means that sand. Lokaha means this world. Margaha means the root. Parvataha, you know, that is mountain. Kedaraha is also that Kshetram we can know. No, Kedaraha means field.
Jyotirlinga Kshetram.
Not that. Here, normally Kedaraha in Sanskrit means this one field where the farmers are doing, no?
Okay.
We can say Kshetram also. Kshetram means also that place where they do this one. Kedaraha also where they do the farming. But we use Kedaranath. Maybe he is in a Kshetram. That we don't know. Then Pashanaha means stone. Pasha.
Kankanam.
No. Pashanaha means stone. Shilakandam. Like that we know Shilakandaha, small stones. Pashanaha. Then Vasuda means this Bhu, that is Bhumi. Vasuda. Prithvi, correct. Then Pankaha means that column, that in the rainy season we put our leg in, no, that chair we call it. What do you say in English? Pankaha means.
Is that Fan or
water
something?
and a dirty place with water and all kola kola and it will be there, no? Pankaha. That is.
Okay, okay.
Then Mritika, you know, it is
Yeah,
that
sand or
sand is
Allah,
Saikataha.
sand Allah.
Saikatam is
It's
sand.
actually earth actually.
Earth, man, that is with which you do
Mannu. Kannada also it's mannu.
Mritika pond, yes.
Hmm.
And Pulinam means sand. Pulinam.
Sand. Pulinam means sand.
Parisaraha, that
Parisara is
Vatavaran.
Vatavaranam.
Yes. Churnam means that small pudi, we call it, no? Churnam.
Pudi only.
Medicine. Yes. Then Loshtam means Kaliman. The Ganpati and
Like
all you are doing, no? That
brick.
Clay,
not a
clay,
break.
clay,
Ganpati you do, no, with a particular man. That is
clay.
not a clay. Correct.
Clay soil.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Samudraha, you know, Kupaha, you know. Gartaha means the entire Bangalore road you have got, no, Gartaha, where the car gets stuck.
Potholes.
The potholes, correct.
Yeah.
Tarangaha, Vari Tarangaha, you always read. That means the waves in the river. Kasaraha, this all you have to read. Samudram, Kupaha, Kasaraha, then Hridaha, this question can come. Because this different type of water body. Samudra very big, Kupaka very small. Within a house we can, the well we call it, no? Tarangaha means in the river and all you have got that alai madri. Kasaraha means what you call lake, like that. Hridaha means within a small place having a water body. Kallolaha means big wave. Tataha, that means the param, which is no, the end of that. Then avartaha means that is chudal. The ek avartaha, dvi avartaha, we can know. Then in the water there will be a place where the speed will be very high. That is known as avartaha. Then jala nirgamaha, that is again water body. Jala shayaha, pond. Then apaga, nadi. Nadi dusra naam apaga. Jalam, water. Param, the opposite bank. Avaram, this bank, there is a river, that other bank, the other end of the river is known as Param. Param Gataha, he has reached the end. Whereas Avaram means this side of the river. Palvalam means a small water body, small. In Kerala, every house has got a Palvalam. Then Alavalam means you around a tree you make a small hole and put water, no? That place is known as Alavalam. These are all the things. It's chart slokaha, already it is going to be 30. Shall I continue tomorrow? But tomorrow I'll have to take for all, no? That other girls will be coming. Tomorrow I'll cover Ikta Pratyayam and Tavatu Pratyayam. One grammar is left out.
Yes, ma'am.
Jana I have covered for you. For them I'll take it later. Okay. Then this chart and all only you need it, sir, because they will not go through.
Yeah.
Whenever you want me, you give me a timing.
Yes.
I
Ma'am.
think Friday and Wednesday I have got some. Tuesdays and Thursdays night I have it my own Ashtadhyayi grammar class, so I cannot do it. Other than other days, you or some day which is comfortable to you, or some time also you tell me, I will accommodate you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So
No, first I will do all the question paper you sent.
Yeah, please.
Then
Wherever you get a doubt, you call me.
Yeah. For fast tracking, I have to become little more familiar with vibhaktis and all that. So then only I can catch up the
It is
speed.
okay because you are the second level, it will be tougher. But a question paper, if you attend and you can discuss with me and see the book, everything only from the book, from nowhere else it will come. So actually, it is very easy exam. Once you see the whatever grammar or part, it is from the book only. Something which you don't understand, immediately put a message. I will explain to you immediately. Because
When
exam
we have
is
class tomorrow?
and tomorrow morning class is there, no?
Okay.
7 o'clock.
Usual
morning.
Saturday, if this is only
As
the
usual.
last Saturday I missed, no, so I am taking it. Nothing else. Okay? Shall we stop at this point?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, sir. You tell me the mantram, then we will close that.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Mam Vidvishavahai ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
ధన్యవాదం.
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद.